Welcome to Combi TV. I'm glad you joined today's session. Let's talk about label printing, or more precisely, about how to individually adjust the number of copies and how to edit the output with a formula. In order to learn how to do this, we are in one of our sample projects called Item Label with Picture, which is part of our sample application. You can see that the object's properties are already shown as pre-selected in blue. Label copies, number of copies. The current selection is set to 1, which means each label will be printed once as shown in the preview here. After printing each label just once, the printing job is finished. When I set the selection to 2 instead, each label will be printed twice according to my choice. In order to make things easier, the whole process can also be managed by using a formula. Let's say, for example, every label with a price of 1,000 euros or less needs to be printed twice, while each label with a price of over 1,000 euros needs to be issued only once. As a result, we can see right here that all the labels over 1,000 euros get printed only once, while all labels with a price at exactly 1,000 euros or lower are issued twice. Thank you for listening.